Well, hi everyone, it's Joe for Hire, and trying something different this time. Oh, my flash isn't working. I was trying to turn the flash on. I am cleaning out all the grass clippings, and that's just from this section up here. And the importance is, guys, you really got to clean this out. I know yesterday I was cutting in the rain, and holy cow, there was clumps coming off. You know, I don't like cutting in the rain, guys, but, you know, otherwise you fall too far behind, and I just couldn't take a rain day. It handled the grass pretty good, but, yeah, that is a lot. Sorry that you can't see it very well, but it's coming off. There's a lot under here. Guys, the big thing is, if you don't clean off your decks, it's going to rot them. And guys, decks are not cheap. My Cub Cadet deck on my Z-Force SX or XZ, you can't just buy a complete deck. It comes in different pieces, and that's expensive. And I'm assuming with this X-Mark deck, well, you might as well be better off buying another unit. But that's not to say you can't find one used. I just rather not have to worry about that. So yes, it does slow me down. Yes, it cuts into my cutting time. But guys, after the thick grass we did yesterday, I had to clean off. I cleaned off the Cub Cadet too, my push mower, and it was a lot of grass too. So I know we all don't like cutting in the rain, but sometimes you don't have a choice, and it's necessary to do this. So anyways, here's just a quick tip video of how to clean off, look after your equipment. Not a glamorous video by any means, pretty dirty, but hey, growing up on the farm, I've handled worse. So anyways, guys, hope your guys' week's going well. Summer's just flying by, and this is Joe for Hire, signing off.